Welcome to the SealXpert video presentation. Today, we are going to show you how to use the SealXpert Teflon tape with the SealXpert stainless steel pipe clip. Typically, this method of repair is applied to arrest high temperature or hazardous medium active pipe leaks. SealXpert Teflon tapes can withstand high temperatures of up to 260 degrees Celsius, and it is compatible with many chemicals including acids, alkalis, and hydrocarbons. The SealXpert stainless steel pipe clip consists of a 30 meters coil of stainless steel band, 25 sets of adjustable fasteners, and 10 pieces of splices. First of all, measure the pipe diameter or circumference and cut the stainless steel pipe clip to the required size. The stainless steel pipe clip can be applied for pipe diameters between 50 mm and 9.7 meters. Slot the end of the adjustable fasteners, one to each end of the stainless steel band. Use PVC tape to tape and secure both joints. For large leak holes or longitudinal cracks, use several strips of SealXpert stainless steel pipe clip alongside each other with about 10 mm gap. For pipe diameters between 10-inch and 16-inch, use 2 sets of adjustable fasteners for each strip of SealXpert stainless steel pipe clips. For pipe diameters from 18-inch onwards, use at least 3 or more sets of adjustable fasteners for each strip of SealXpert stainless steel pipe clips. Use a hexagonal screwdriver to connect both ends of the adjustable fasteners. Do not use the flat screwdriver as the tightening strength will not be sufficient. Next, clean and roughen the pipe surface. Whenever possible, you should use a mechanical tool, for example, wire brush and grinder, to perform surface preparation works. After the surface preparation is completed, the surface should be free of loose particles and debris. Also, ensure that the surface is free of oil, grease, and chemicals. In this video, we are using hand tool wire brush and sand belt for illustration purposes. In the oil and gas and offshore industry, surface preparation follows a stringent requirement. It is necessary to ensure prepared surfaces comply to international standards, for example ST2, and surface profile to 60 micron roughness. Depending on the environment the work is carried out, a spark-free tool may be used. Next, unroll the Teflon tape and cut out a suitable length. The length of Teflon tape should cover at least 3 times the defect size. Remove the adhesive backing paper and apply the Teflon tape onto one side of a pre-cut stainless steel sheet metal of 0.3 mm or 0.4 mm thickness. Press the stainless steel sheet metal onto the defective location with Teflon tape being the contact material with the pipe medium. Slide the prepared stainless steel pipe clip onto the sheet metal, tighten the adjustable fastener, and adjust the position, ensuring that the Teflon tape sits directly above the defective location. For more product information, visit us at SealXpert.com.